Hi there. So you're thinking of buying a home and you don't know where to start. Hi, my name is Jennifer Bright with Jennifer Bright Homes and Coldwell Banker. Purchasing a home is most likely going to be one of the largest investments in your life. You need an experienced professional agent to walk you through each phase to ensure your best interests are protected. Here's how we help you. First, we'll make sure you're qualified to purchase a home. You'll know things like what types of loans you can qualify for and what the full payment will be, including taxes and insurance, as well as the mortgage payment. Once we know you're qualified, we'll go house hunting and make sure you're fully aware about all the neighborhoods, schools, and anything that could possibly be problematic with the area or home that could affect the value later. Then we help you negotiate an offer in a way that is beneficial for you and the seller. Once it's accepted, we open up escrow, give you your initial deposit, and then start scheduling inspections and the appraisal. We're diligent about making sure we don't miss any contractual deadlines so that we keep your deposit safe and you won't be at risk of losing it. It's super important after the inspections to know what is customary to or not to ask for from the seller. We'll be in constant communication with all of the parties in the transaction. That will ensure that your best interest is covered and that we can close on time. There are so many more parts to the transaction. I could be here for hours talking to you about it. So better yet, give me a call and I will become your trusted advisor and your partner, walking you through step by step and ensuring that you make the right decisions all the way along the way until we give you the keys to your new home. And we're friends for life afterwards. And don't forget, the seller pays my fees, so it doesn't cost you anything to use my services. But I can guarantee you it will cost you if you don't have representation from an experienced professional agent who is on your team. So give me a call and let's see how we can get you into your new home.